There's got to be a better way. So much empty space, too little efficiency. I need to make more out of less. If only I could make the goods come to my employees, instead of them having to walk for miles a day to get the goods. I could place the shelves closer to one another. I need a totally new way of thinking. This is it! Bins on top of one another inside this grid, leaving nearly no space unused. Robots could fetch the bins and transport them to the picking ports. My employees would get the goods without even moving. Fabulous! Even less the half space. More efficient, secure and reliable. Better use of manpower. This is definitely it!
This is not just an illusion. The future of warehousing, Autostore, is as real as you are. The goods-to-man strategy should be standard in any modern warehouse. Autostore will realize this at a speed and space-efficient way you never thought possible. Autostore. Store goods in bins stacked on top of one another in a self-supporting aluminium grid. The grid will align the bins and also function as tracks for the Autostore robots. Radio-controlled and battery-powered, the robots handle the bins on the grid to and from the Autostore ports. The port is where the goods are taken in and out of Autostore bins, controlled by the warehouse management system. Autostore control system schedules the picking lists transferred from the warehouse management system. The thoroughly tested control system plans and controls the robot traffic and has full control over the Autostore robots, bins and ports at any time in real time. When new goods arrive to the warehouse, goods that are to be stored in Autostore are transported to the Autostore receiving ports. This is where the put away is done. The goods will be put away into Autostore bins. Robots fetch the filled bin and places it in a free top position in the Autostore grid. An empty bin is placed at the port right away for new goods to be loaded into Autostore. The exchange time is just a couple of seconds. From the second the goods are stored in Autostore, they're ready to be picked and then shipped out to the customers. When a customer places an order, the warehouse management system will transfer a picking list to the Autostore control system task queue. The way Autostore handles the bins ensures that high-running goods always stay on top of the grid. Low runners are deeper down in the grid. If a bin on a lower level in the grid is requested, then Autostore prepares the picking process and digs the bins up in advance. The employees get the picking list on their screens when the picking process is ready to be started. The robots will automatically transport the correct bins to the port. In 1 minute, the employee can get access to 4 different bins at the same port. If preferred, the full order or shipment consolidation can be done at the Autostore ports. When the goods specified in the picking list are collected, the products can be transported to the next step in the supply chain, or the order can be packed and marked with the necessary labels at the Autostore ports, ready to be shipped out to your customer. Any robot can get any bin. Any bin can be sent to any port. The fact that each robot and each port are independent units makes Autostore an extremely reliable and flexible system. You get optimal utilization of warehouse area and volume, up to 60% better compared to other automated warehouse systems. Autostore is easy to install and easy to expand in any existing or new planned building. And Autostore is a green line product with low use of energy and long life. There should be no doubt. Autostore is the future of warehousing.